everyone, welcome to our channel Janine. I hope you will find this time to talk about Lollapalooza India 2026 schedule. Ken Carson drops out now when Linkin Park and Playboy Carti are performing. Day schedules, time slots, updated lineup and more. Here is rundown for Lollapalooza India. Written by Abhishek Rawal, journalist, published on 24 January 2026. The first season of Lollapalooza India is here, and it has a banger lineup of fans of music to check out. The 2 days festivities began on 24 January and continued into the second day, 25th January, with over 40 artists performing over performing over Performing over the Book My Show produced weekend, here's a full look at the lineup with the timing and where they can be found on the ground. They gave a lineup and timing reveal. Lollapalooza India 2026 will be held at the Mahalakshmi Racecourse in Mumbai this Saturday and Sunday. Starting of day one will be Sunflower Cake Machine, Gyole Bhai, Sonak Mehti, and CJ at each of the four states. Gates open at 1 p.m., followed by the first show starting at 2 in the afternoon. Still in therapy, Hot Milk, Zoya, and who will take over in the second slots with Mother, Ankar Tiwari, and the Galat family at Need 08 soon after. The Sundowners will start off with Fauji K um, move 540, the Prithvi presents at the middle grounds on the morning of 24 January. Morning of 24 January, the festival announced that Ken Carson, who was supposed to be a part of the Opium Present lineup, will destroy only and a homicide Homicide Gang would not be a part of the show anymore. They did not reveal any reasons for the same, but shared that it was due to unforeseen circumstances outside the festival control. Check out the updated schedule below. Youngblood Hamadi and the Midnight will take on the early evening slots, followed by the headliner Playboy Carti and Knock 2 performing from 8:38 o'clock 35 and 8:25 onwards respectively. Day 2 line of Lollapalooza India 2026 with the excitement of the route for Sunday. Terence Effect, Guinea, Solo and Rudy Mukta will kick off day 2. Waf, ex Savera Sen, Zukova and Excise Deb will take over the afternoon gigs, rising with fun for attendees. Colin Scott, hot on the heels of his TV show, will be seen performing at 4:15 with Nabion Twist, Karash, Kale, Pacifist Band, and Balte, and taking over the stage. Bollywood, who opened for Linkin Park a day ago in Bangalore, will be taking to the audience at 5:50 in a perfect sunset showdown. Some of the most fun performances will be seen throughout the evening as Kahlani and Sami Virji bring the house down at 6:50 p.m. each. Nisaria will gear up for an evening filled with craze at 8:30 p.m. Finally, the most awaited performers of the festival, Linkin Park, will take to the stage at 7:55 p.m. for a full 2-hour show. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time.